हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन, दिस इज प्रोफेसर सिद्धार्थ सुराना। आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग गुड। मैं तो हमेशा मस्त ही रहता हूं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिफोर आई से एनीथिंग, आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक our mother body, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, for the excellent arrangements they did in order to successfully conduct your July 2021 exams in all the atmosphere of fear. They managed it so successfully with such good arrangement. They deserve much appreciation. We all criticize at the first available opportunity, but at the same time, we should appreciate the good things in life. Thank you, ICAI, for all the efforts and arrangements for the benefit of those students who genuinely wanted to give the exams. On WhatsApp, I conducted a poll that what do you want? You want exams or you don't want exams, or you want postponement? Between my students who studied all the chapters and portion from me, 98 to 99% students said that we want to give exams and finish it off. And yes, there were a few students who had some personal issues and problems about having COVID in the family or any other reason. They did not want the exams, but obviously for those students, the facility of postponement was already given by ICAI. But for those who wanted exams perfectly conducted, thank you, ICAI. Along with ICAI, I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart and congratulate each and every student who gave this exam. You deserve so much appreciation, I must tell you, because the results are never in our control. But in an atmosphere, in an environment like this, if you have given your exam, that means you are already a winner. You are already a champion. Congratulate yourself and take this time to relax so that you can come up stronger for your future. Those who have given both groups will very soon become chartered accountants. And now you have to focus on a very important career which is coming, but relax for some time. Those who have given one group, of course, will now be targeting the next group in November 21. You can comfortably see that if they have conducted this exam, of course, they are going to be conducting that exam also. So, all the best for your November 21 exams. Those who have one group left and those who have given both groups, tell yourself that I am going to become a chartered accountant in this attempt. And then I am going to enjoy a successful professional career. So, thank you, ICAI, and thank you, students. And 2 minutes silence for all those dharnas and dramas and all those people who wanted to postpone the exams just because of their personal benefit and personal gains, not thinking about those who wanted to give the exam. I am not taking this side or that side. Simple thing is, those who want to give, let them give, and those who don't want to give for genuine reasons, you have your option of not giving the exam. Comfortably done by institute as well as students. And 2 minute silence for all the fake heroes. Now coming to the point, the roadmap ahead. With all the successful conduction of exams, we are very clear that the upcoming exams are also going to be conducted very peacefully and perfectly. So first announcement for the students of Kerala, in the month of September, from 13 to 27, 15 days crash course. Actually, it is wrong to call it a crash course. This is, my dear students, not a 15-day crash course. We cover 100% portion. All chapters are taught in complete detail, of course, except the small topics of IPCC like house property, clubbing, set-off, other sources, deductions. We cover PGBP and capital gains also. Business profession capital gain also will be covered in complete detail. We will be having a 15-day batch in Kochi, Kerala, Lakshya CA campus. We all know where I work in Kerala. So, Kochi batch, physical face-to-face batch, 13 to 27 September. Last time students were doubtful whether I will come or no. And therefore, they had only a regret, some of them, who could not enroll for the batch. So, I am very clear that I am coming. I would recommend and suggest you to take advanced admission. The reason, there are two reasons. Reason number one, those who take advanced admission will be eligible for some fee concession. Reason number two, the textbooks will be couriered from Mumbai. So initially we will courier only those textbooks where students have taken advanced admissions. And then of course, for all the people who take the admission on the batch date, their books will be couriered on this date. So it will take at least 4-5 days. It can take a week also. We don't know the situation at that time, but then you will have to wait for that much time for your textbook. Initial courier will be only for advanced enrolled students. So I suggest you to enroll as soon as and as early as possible. Contact the admin team of Lakshya and join. Everything will be treated and covered like it is a full course in complete detail. All the question answer, concept, logic, everything. Even if you have not studied DT ever before, this batch will be definitely very, very helpful, useful for you to score an exemption. The only part which we don't cover is the small IPCC topics like house property, clubbing, set off, deductions, etc. We are going to cover everything else in complete detail. So please make sure that you join as early as possible. All the concepts also are going to be covered with you. This was for the Kochi batch, September 13 to 27. And those who want to join, of course, it is going to be in 100% English. And those who want to join online live on Zoom platform, this is going to be for May and November 22 attempt. So the Kochi batch is going to be for November 21. If you have given group 1 now and you want to give group 2 in November, this batch is specially meant for those students. From September 13 to 27 we will be conducting, and for May 22 and November 22 we will be conducting an English batch in Zoom platform online live. We will be taking the batch from 1st to 10th September. Then of course I will be on a break for this batch of mine, and then I will be taking the batch from 1st October to 30th November. So actually the batch dates are 1st October to 30th November. 1st October to 30th November. But to complete a little bit portion, I am just taking 10 days before the actual date because I have some time available with me from 1 to 10 September. So 1 to 10 September and then 1st October to 30th November, Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 AM, online live on Zoom 100% English for May and November 22 attempt. Live interactive lectures will be conducted. For details about this batch, you can only WhatsApp on this number. Only WhatsApp, no calling please. And of course, this batch will be a physical face-to-face batch. You can contact the admin team of Lakshya CA. This will be for November 21. Of course, physical face-to-face, 100% English. This will be for May, November 22, live online on Zoom, again 100% English. We also know the timetable of this batch, 7 AM to 5 PM, because we have to finish everything in a span of 15 days. But this batch will be like a regular batch, and thus 7 to 10. This is the only reason why we call it a crash course, because we take more hours. Actually, it is not a crash course. We cover full portion, and here we take less hours, only 3 hours per day. But of course, the duration is 2 months and these 10 days extra. So for the physical batch of Kochi, November 21, you should contact Lakshya CA, and for the online live batch, you can WhatsApp on this number. All the details will be provided to you. Major details I have provided only. So hope to see you very soon. Once again, I would like to thank ICAI from the bottom of my heart. All the students, congratulations for giving this attempt, and of course those who have given one group, looking forward to the other group. The roadmap ahead is put in front of you, and those who have their first attempt coming up in May, November 22, their live online batch is also coming up. So hope to see you guys. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Take care, please.